How to connect Bluetooth sports wireless headphones with a Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 phone. Before turning on the Bluetooth settings of your Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 phone, first with these wireless earphones, assuming you have a similar model, make sure they have some battery life. And if they're currently on, go ahead and turn it off because you'll need to get them into pairing mode. And in order to get them into pairing mode, you'll need to press down on the call button here or the power button. Hold it down as you're turning it on, but don't let it go until you see the blinking blue and red light. So I'll do that now. You'll hold it down. You'll see it light up like this. And when it starts doing that, you can let go the power button or the call button here, and it means your earphones are now in pairing mode. Now on your Xiaomi phone, you'll want to go into the Bluetooth settings of your Xiaomi phone. You can use the quick panel access. You'll see the Bluetooth option here. Long press it, and that'll take you into the main settings of your Bluetooth. Go ahead and turn that on by tapping here one time. It's going to start searching for nearby devices, and just check the manual guide for your Bluetooth device to know the name of it. This one is called Bluetooth Music. And as you select that, it's going to say pairing. You'll get the request here. You'll go with pair, and you are fully connected and ready to use. And of course, if you need to do anything else from here, such as enabling the calls, media audio input, this is where you would go. All right, so like, sub, and thanks for watching.